Let's see how to remove crop marks in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. So what are crop marks? Crop marks are these marks at every page, at the corners of every page, that indicate the spacing or the margins for that particular page. Now, if you want to see your document as it is printed, for example, you can opt to remove these crop marks. So to do that, simply click on the File tab, go over to the Options, click on Advanced, and scroll down until you see the Show Document Content. Make sure to uncheck the Show Crop Marks box, and let's click OK, and you'll notice that the crop marks are gone. And that is how you remove crop marks in Microsoft Word. See you soon!